We're doing some marshmallows. The stick is gonna come down, I think.
They're crashing down.
The marshmallow's roasting.
I'm gonna want one. Oh, be careful! So the that's good, Jenny. Come here. Yeah, do it like that. Hold on, hold on. Let me see. Oh my God, this is no good to eat anymore. Okay, that is no good.
I want my stick back.
Hold on. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Be careful. See, this thing is gonna come down soon. So
I want my stick back.
be careful. Oh my goodness.
This one a little bit.
No, don't go. Put your clothes there.
You're gonna burn it, Jenny. There. I like my marshmallow like this.